आज हम देखेंगे another interview question. So the question is remove duplicate element from array string and character, and they given some condition. So the first condition is they given one array and to remove duplicate elements, and after that the output shown like that. The second condition is they given one string, and after remove duplicates the output is like that. And they given the third condition, that is the character array, and after remove duplicates the character is shown like that. So ये प्रॉब्लम आज हम सॉल्व करेंगे वन बाय वन. ये काफ़ी बार इंटरव्यू में पूछा जाता है, और अक्सर एक सिली मिस्टेक की वजह से इसको सॉल्व नहीं कर पाते. तो आज हम तीनों के तीनों क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. इंटरव्यूअर तीनों में से कौन सा भी एक क्वेश्चन आपसे पूछ सकता है. सो we will start with the condition 1. So for that we will define one class. After that in class we will define one main method, and in main method we will simply write down the given array. So int arr equals to, and I will copy this and paste it there. After that we use set collection to remove duplicates. For that I will define a set. So set hash set equals to new hash set, and I will import sets and hash sets. So this two is very important. So because the interviewer do not give to write code in a editor, they will tell you to write code in a notepad, or they will give you one online compiler. So if they give online compiler, so this is you have to write this import statement. After that the code is compiled properly. After that we will define one for loop. So the starting value of I is 0, and the condition is I less than arr dot length. After that we use set methods. For that hash set dot add, and in add we will simply pass the array elements. Now we have to write CSO statement, that is to print the array element. For that we use system.out.println. In that we will write remove array elements. After remove array elements, and we will print hash set. So now I will run the program. So after run the program you will see the output. So our output is correct. Now we will solve the third condition, that is they given one character array, and for that we just simply first comment this code. Now okay, to solve the third condition we will define a class, that is remove duplicates. In that we will define a main method. In main method we will write down that character array, and I will simply copy the array elements. Now to solve both the problem, the method is same. We use set here also. So set hash set equals to new hash set. After that we will define a for loop. The for loop start with the initial value is 0 and the condition is I less than ch dot len. After that we use hash set method. So for that we take hash set dot add and ch and pass the array elements. Now we will simply print the array element. So after remove character duplicate character, now we will run the program and you will show the output. So our output is correct. Now the third condition is they given the second condition, that is they given one string and we have to remove the duplicate element. So for that we will just remove comment this and define one string, that is string str equals to Ashok. After that, so here we have to use one method that is to convert a string into character. For that we use char ch equals to str dot to char array. So using this we will convert our string into character, and after that the process is same. And now when we run the program, so you can see our output is correct. So that's it. You can try to solve these three questions at your own and subscribe our channel.